How many times do you guys think Teddy's hit his head on that chandelier?
We are ready.
We're ready to seal the floors.
Yeah. The electrical inspector came here today and we finally passed.
Passed our final.
Our final, so we have the sticker of approval. We are good to go.
Mm-hmm. That feels really good.
Yeah, huge weight lifted. Good to be done.
That's only been a year in the works.
Yeah. But we went through this entire house and we spot sanded first.
Fine-tuned any little sanding spots that we could see that needed to be done. Teddy did got the little tiny corner sander thing out, did all of that. And we basically just went through. I wiped down all the walls and shop vaxed. We just got this place cleaned up. So tomorrow we are gonna come back, then we're gonna put the sealer on.
Yeah. Another thing we've never done before, but Jenna's good at painting, so we're gonna roller it on and I'm just gonna let her do her magic and I'll be here to help and watch.
Mm-hmm. Anything else?
No, I'm very happy with the floors. Obviously there's issues that we haven't been able to fix. There's staining, it's an old house.
It's character.
It adds character.
I was telling him there's a little spot in between the kitchen and dining room here that's got a little bit of water damage, and the internet is very hard to find consistent information on it, whether or not it can actually be remedied. But after talking to somebody who is a water damage remediation specialist, he basically said that there's no way to get it out. So he's like, you could maybe make it better, but it's still not gonna fix your problem. So we're gonna go with it. We're gonna leave it there. It's part of the character of the house. And it's just a little
reminder of how much we've done.
And
the asbestos
tile that we took out to reveal the beautiful maple floors in the kitchen. So we're gonna leave it and we're gonna go with it. So they're not perfect, but they're better than they were. And we're very happy with it.
We can start moving some other stuff in and doing trim and
got a lot going on. But we'll see you tomorrow. All right, hi, we're back. It is the next day. It's beautiful out. We got a really good night's sleep. We're so excited. Today is the day. You saw in the last video, we sanded these things. That was a job and a half, but we did it. And we are so excited to be sealing these puppies and getting this done. This was a labor of love, and it was, I don't know, was it worth it?
Yeah.
I think it was too.
Yeah.
It was worth the work.
We've been watching the videos back and it's like, man, that sucked, but.
We keep saying, we did this. We can't believe we did this. And it was just so much work, but it was so worth it. This is so worth the transformation.
Patches turned out great.
They turned out so good.
You can see some of them, but for the most part,
you did amazing. They look so good. So we came back today. We mopped the floors. I didn't use the tap cloths. We got them all cleaned with my my trusty Norwex.
It's not easy, is it?
No. Oh gosh, I'm gonna slippery falling on my face. So we got the Minwax floor finisher per the recommendation of the professionals at Sherwin-Williams. We're gonna apply it the way the directions say, and we're just gonna get it done, and we're gonna say a prayer quick just to get this day going, start it off right. Wish us luck. I'm really nervous about this, but I think it's gonna be okay.
I'm not, because I'm not the one with the
Yeah, you get to just blame me for everything.
Ready?
This is it. Don't get scared now.
Isn't it fun to say?
It kind of is.
You're gonna do just fine.
This is not like paint, it's way runnier. Oh my gosh, they're so pretty.
what?
It's not like painting. It's way harder.
You're doing good. I'm your... What is it called?
I don't know. I don't think it's called a fuck-all.
We did the first bedroom, or Jenna did the first bedroom, and we kind of did it paint style.
It says just to keep a wet edge.
It says just to keep a wet edge. You can see where the overlap is. So we've changed up gears in this other bedroom, going the long way with the grain, and we're hoping that that'll be better. And fingers crossed that this bedroom dries where you can't see the lap mark. Because I don't know what we're gonna do if it dries the way it looks right now. I think Jenna's figured out a little system.
Only took me 3 rooms.
Took 3 rooms. It's looking really good. It's really hard to make transitions because this house is so long and the hardwoods go the full length of it. And we don't want to have that overlap because you can really see it. We can't see the bedroom anymore because we've worked our way out of there. We are very hopeful that where the overlap was, it was wetter and it just needs to dry. But I did some research while Jenna's been doing this, and we might just have to sand those areas before we do the second coat. This stuff you actually don't have to sand in between coats as long as you do it between 2 and 24 hours. So, but it's looking so good. I'm excited. It's been a little stressful, but I think we've got the system now, and
We're in our groove.
we're in the groove. We're finally in the groove. So, what did you just say?
They look so freaking good! Oh, I just can't even. I'm so excited. Hoping the bedroom turns out. Hoping it all turns out, but oh.
Can we just get it on video that who was right and who was wrong?
Okay. Yes. Teddy was right about the way to roll it. I was wrong. But to be fair, no, I'm not even gonna try to explain. You were right, I was wrong, and that's just the end of it.
And I'm gonna sing the I Was Right song. Well, we worked ourselves into a corner.
Yes, we did.
Good thing there's a door here. I'll have to stay here and make out.
Ooh, we can still do that. It's gonna be so hard to do the next coat. And the next coat after that.
And the next one? And the next one?
I can't believe how good, like, I'm shocked. Hot dang. Almost like we know what we were doing.
Well, we were wrong.
The lines disappeared and it was so good. It looks so good.
And that's just the first coat, too. Yeah, I was really worried about this room.
Okay, that makes me feel so much better about doing these additional coats now. Like, it's gonna all be okay.
And I feel better because of one thing.
What?
You have your glasses on now.
It's not gonna make a difference. I just did it to make you happy. Shut you up.
You're lucky it's not wet.
We're back to round 2. Ted's just going downstairs to get my roller. I've got what's left of our 2nd gallon right here, and we're just gonna get this done So excited. They look so good.
Yeah, there's some imperfections here and there, but we're gonna do a second coat and then we'll go around. We kind of sanded a couple of spots, like a drip here and there, but they are looking really good.
So good. So excited. Yeah.
I'd say it's a win already. So.
Total win.
Okay, so we're about halfway done with the second coat. So I'm gonna kind of bend Jenna's spotter and kind of just getting in the glare and see if I can see anything, but it's really hard to tell where she's been and where she hasn't been, but it's looking really, really good. Any words? Having fun?
I am. I mean, I'm sore, but it's so just rewarding to do and satisfying.
Yeah. Okay, so we will finish this coat. Maybe we'll show you what it looks like after this coat's done, and then we're probably gonna come back tonight after 2 hours or 3 hours and do the third and final coat. So show you what it looks like after it's done. So I'm on call, so I just got back from being on call. So I met Jenna here. We are here for our third and hopefully final coat. It looks really good.
Is it perfect? No. Is it professional grade quality? No. Are there imperfections, aka character? Yes.
Yes, but I am so happy with it. We saved thousands of dollars and they look really good.
They look incredible.
Yeah, it's just lightened everything up. It's so nice to walk around with like socks on.
You just feel clean finally in here.
We're gonna do this last coat. I think it takes us about an hour and 45 minutes to do one coat. So we're gonna finish up tonight. It's gonna be dark by the time we're done. And then we'll come back tomorrow and we'll show you the finished product on these floors. And then we can move on to bigger and better things. Right, Jenna?
That's right.
Well, I just got called out again, so Jenna's on her own until I get back.
So good. I think honestly the trick of it is to go faster and to like not load the roller up as much.
Yeah.
Lighter coats, because that's when like you get too much, then it leaves lines and you gotta go back, then it drips, and then I think just going faster weirdly is the trick of it. You know, after 3 coats of doing it, I finally figured out how to do it.
Some say love is a winding road, carves a map through the darkest night. Some say love takes a heavy load, Help someone make the burden light. Teaches you not to hold too tight. You and I have come a long way together. You and I got a long way to go. You don't have to ask me now or never, 'cause I'm already yours and you'll always.
Well, the old Ford 2N tractor has a slight gas leak, so I try to fill it up with about as much gas as I think I'm gonna need, and I was wrong. So.
Bound to hurt when you let it go. Some say love is a choice we make, a holy vow we should never break. And maybe that's just the chance we take. You and I come
Back in business.
You and I got a long way to go. You don't have to ask me now and never, 'cause I'm already yours and you'll always be mine.
Is that what it was?
I don't know. We'll
I
figure it
feel like I
out.
knew what I was talking about.
I don't know. No. See, now
Not genie in the bottle?
now I've lost it all.
I didn't even hear you say genie in a bottle.
What?
Oh, gosh.
Come back down here. It's the kitchen. It's like probably picking up all that stuff. It's picking everything up from the cracks because this did not happen in either of the bedrooms.